Many businesses struggle every day because their system can handle different units of measurement. They buy in kilograms but sell in grams, receive in liters but pack in millimeters, or convert raw materials into finished goods with no proper way to track the changes. This causes stock inaccuracy, production delays, and unnecessary mistakes. Introducing PayRecon WMS UOM Control feature, a flexible and at once unique conversion system designed to support almost any industry, from manufacturing and construction materials to furniture, apparel, chemicals, and liquid-based products. First, go to Product Setting. Click on Unit of Measurements UOM. Here, you can create your primary units, for example, kg, liter, piece, row, or bundle. Then, add your conversion units. For example, 1 kg equals to 1000 gram, 1 liter equals to 1000 ml, or even custom rules like 1 row equals to 30 meter, 1 board equals to 12 pieces. With this feature, your workflow becomes significantly more reliable and efficient. Your operations team no longer needs manual calculation, no more mixing up units, and no more wrong inventory. So what are you waiting for? If your warehouse deals with complex units, it's time to simplify the process. Contact us now and let PayRecon simplify your operations today.